ki khubor ki babania. Kami karya Kongres ke Paikmat ban ai tiket Syabuan Ngut ki Riew Thymmai ha ke election sya KHADC ba KHADC ke balabu ban penlong ha ke arpawai terik ulber lasem snem. Unong yalam ke Kongres Manuel Badwar ula ong ba kaseng ke Paikmat ban penyo ya ki nong tau an ki ba Thymmai. Kat kum ke jing sngo ke jong u kaseng kan yale kat bala ban penrung da ki Riew ki bala tebet ban long ki nong tau an ki ba bha. Da ke ba ong ba kani kan long ke sin jam ke badap cingkermen u Badwar Uban Iakhun nan laim kra Malki constituency ula ong baga jing job ni ke jing syarem kam long ka ba kongsan namar ka kam sain perthehi ka don la ka benta ha ka senchar khadar.
We will try to bring as much as possible qualified people who we think at least will become good statesmen, and definitely I have this firm belief that there's a requirement for fresh ideas, there's a requirement for rehashing the entire governance system in the state, and be it at the district council or be it at the legislative assembly. And I think this is a very positive step, at least as far as the Congress is concerned. Win or lose, that's secondary, because electoral politics will anyway have to play its role, right?